Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Morizal. I from big class school boarding SMP Satu Tulap. Okay. Once stomach acid rises, one of the digestive problems characteristic by difficulty breathing is rising stomach acid. The symptoms resemble a heart attack. Among them is the emergency of a burning sensation, the case accompanied by a bitter taste in the throat or mouth. 2. Disorder on the heart, difficulty breathing due to disorders of the heart occurs when the heart is not able to pump oxygen-rich blood optimally. 3. Disorders of the lungs. Lung difficulty breathing to the disorders of the lungs can occur with the obstruction if the airways reduced the lung surface area unresisted. Physiology disorders ASEAN difficulty breathing to the psychologist disorders can occur if the respiratory muscles expression tension in response to stress or panic attack. 5. Muscle tension exercise can cause the chest muscle to lengthen. This condition is characteristic by difficulty breathing. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.